Video starting. Oh, that was perfect. Bang.
I've had a couple little ones. Oh, mine keeps crashing with blind in the ceiling. I don't know. That's why I said I had 3 of them. They all crashed. I said, fuck it. I'm going to find another one. Oh, but the dog's okay? Oh, yeah. He's very friendly. No problem. Cheers, man.
How's it going, guys?
Good.
I just wanted to come over and say hi to you and watch you guys.
No problem.
And I wanted to have Kurt with me.
Oh, yeah?
There, go.
Ow!
Yeah, this is Kurt, who's really interested in watching you guys play.
Oh, for sure, buddy. You can check it out.
Shy, though. I had to go over and introduce
No,
you.
not a problem. This is Jason.
Jason?
Yeah, that's Kurt,
Jason?
buddy.
That's Kurt?
How's it going, man?
Good, man. I'm Derek.
He's
Hey, Jay, what's up,
he
man?
lives on his dad, so he's good for the weekend.
Yeah, a lot of that going around, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's funny. I was looking at my wife and my wedding video. And I swear to God.
Alright, I got the ramp.
I
It's
mean,
nuts,
it's
man.
insane.